Okay, this is day one. It is, let's see, February 22nd, I believe, at around 11:26 a.m. And Bailey and I are working on a new cue, which is to get him to open the refrigerator. So we've been doing this now for about 15 minutes. We've taken a little break, so we'll get back into it and see how much he remembers. He did open it a few times, and now we're going to start adding the word open to the action. Here we go. Bailey, come. Scoot this closer here so everyone can see. We have a little sock on the fridge. He gets a little excited sometimes, so I'm just waiting until he calms down. He can be very pushy sometimes when he doesn't get the treat when he wants it, but he hasn't earned it yet, so he doesn't get it. I might have to actually go back a few steps and work the cue back up again slowly. I am using a clicker and some treats, so I'm going to just start rewarding him for every time he looks at the sock, then when he puts the sock in his mouth, and then I'm going to wait a little bit longer once he's gotten really good at that, and then he'll actually have to pull the door all the way open. Then I'll click and treat. If he does that, he's going to get a jackpot of treats, and then we'll end there. I'm going to guide him for a quick second. Up. Up. We're working. You can't lay down. Up. Yeah. Up. Up. I was just waiting for him to tug a little bit. Good boy! Good boy! That was beautiful, buddy. Beautiful. Now we're going to do this action a few more times before I add in the word open. Bailey. Bailey. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Very good. Very good. I gotta get some more treats. He's probably not going to eat dinner because he's had so many treats today. Here we go. Bailey. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You can do it again. so he didn't get his treat. So here we go. Now I'll do it again, and this time I'm going to start adding a word. Bailey. Open. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Lots of praise because he's killing it today. Open. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Giving him lots of good boys and some jackpot treats because he is doing awesome. Open. Good boy. I was a little late on my timing. Let's do that one again. Open. Good boy. Good boy. Lots of little treats, lots of praise. He's doing it. Okay, let's do it. We're on a roll, bud. We're on a roll. Oh, out of nope, nope, nope. Bailey, back it up. Back it up. Now, I did leave the refrigerator slightly cracked open as to set our dogs up for success. You always want to do that if you make it too hard, because our refrigerator kind of really sticks. So I wanted to make it easy. You're doing so good. Open. Good boy! Good boy! See how he thought about it? We want to give our dogs chances to think about what we are asking of them. Now, I've built this cue up a little bit in the last 10 minutes. I don't want him to just open the door halfway. It needs to be all the way open. So until he gets it all the way open, he doesn't get the treat. And you saw him thinking about that. You just saw him do it, which was amazing. Let's see me do it again. Open. Good boy! Woohoo! Good boy! Good boy! Oh my gosh, I'm always out of treats. Good boy! Let's do it one more time. This time I'm going to close the fridge all the way. This is going to be a little bit harder on him. And then we're going to end here if he gets it. Because you always, every training session, end on a positive, successful note. Bailey, open. Good boy! Good boy! Good boy! And that was us teaching my dog how to open the fridge with a sock, and I'm so proud of him and so excited about this. With some patience, consistency, good timing, and positive treats and energy, you know, there's just so much untapped potential in each of our animals. And if we just put in a little bit of time and make it fun and make it engaging, you can teach your dog almost anything. Have a good day.